Yo, it's your boo Banshee, aka Bike Doctor, y'all. You can see I'm in the lab. I got some Banshee frames over here, and over here I got some parts of some engines. So basically it's gonna be an introduction to my YouTube channel. If y'all can, I need y'all to please share this video. Go up in my bio, hit the link. I need y'all to subscribe and the notification button. So basically the changes are gonna consist on rebuilds and repairs for your bikes. We're gonna start the series off by doing 3 Banshee builds. I had 2 2000s and 195. We're going to start all the way from breaking the engines down, getting everything cleaned and visually inspected, and ordering new parts. Next, we're going to get everything painted, and then put the engines back together, get the rolling chassis together, get the engines mounted on the chassis, and get everything tuned in and get everything finished. So if that sounds like it's fun to y'all, like I said, I need y'all to share this video, go up in my bio, hit that link, subscribe, and hit the notification button, because I don't think y'all want to miss what's coming. See, I got some wheels and cylinders here with some sprockets and shit in there. Foot pegs, ignitions and keys, kick starters, gaskets, transmission shaft seals, clutch cases, I'm at our 5-wheel stator, baskets and hubs, carburetor, more baskets, flywheel, carburetors, engines, transmissions, heads, more shocks, more baskets. Over here we got the wheel, we got the Sandblasting, and we got that ultrasonic machine, man. So y'all can see that we about to go in on these Banshee builds, man. So y'all can, man, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Get ready for these tutorials. And building these Banshees, get ready to see these Banshees becoming alive. Like to watch the Bike Doctor resurrect these things. I'm out of here. Also, let me know if y'all need help getting the titles to y'all bikes, man. It's my 95 title right here. It's my 95 frame right there. And let me know, man. It's already registered already. I see the plate behind it. Let me know y'all need help. All 3 of these, they skeletons, but they legal. Holla at me.